well, I'm only gonna trade these sides. I'm gonna not trade that one because it's just a giveaway from my orders. Should I trade my fidget spinner? Trading fidget spinner, going once, going twice. Me! Okay, what would you like to trade? This squishy? This other squishy? And this clip. Can you please add? This is really legendary. And it's actually it's from Charlie D'Amelio. Oh, I really like Charlie D'Amelio. Then add this thing. Can you please add? I told you this is from Charlie D'Amelio and Dixie, I guess. Oh my God, I don't like Dixie, but I think I like Dixie too. I'm just saying that because I want it. Okay, what would you like to trade then? Just add this spiky ball. That's literally the fine. But can you just please add one more? No. Please just add one more. What do you mean you can't? I can't. Just accept. Just one more. Fine. This thing is called what is that? It's called you don't even know what is that. Then add squishy. Literally. Fine, you accept. Get scammed. Finally, I got this. No! He's gone. Well, let's go trade some of these fidgets. Let's go add them in my collection. This one is so cute. It's literally look like a big mochi, but it's not a mochi. I'm gonna trade the clip. I guess I'm gonna trade this clip. Trading this clip, going once, going twice. Me! You just slammed the camera, that girl. Okay, what would you like to trade? Wow. This legendary big thing, and maybe that legendary one. Can you please add? Why do you feel so lame about this? Can you add a little bit? Fine. Oh, come on. This is legendary. Ooh, this is really good. But can you please just add? Or else this will get accepted. It's very legendary. So can you please add? What is that? Okay, I can accept. Come back for part 2.